Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome back to my exam coaching classes. So as usual, we are continuing with the previous year question papers. So today we have selected some of the very important questions from Cgle 2016 batch. So 16 September examination, some of the important questions. So that previous year questions will be solving today. So as usual, let me thank all of you for your support. Without your support, it will not be possible for me to upload this video. So thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you are new to my channel, I kindly request you to subscribe so that whenever I upload new videos, the notification will definitely come to you. Thank you so much once again for your support, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and let us go to the questions in the previous year question papers questions. So before going to the questions, let me tell you, like this channel will give you all the questions related to quantitative aptitude, that is numerical ability, which is for all competitive examination, whether you name IBPS, Staff Selection Commission examinations, or you name CTET, GMAT, UPSC examinations, or UGC NET examination. For all competitive examination, whatever is the quantitative aptitude part, that is numerical ability part comes, we will be covering the complete questions. And at the same time, we will be covering a reasoning part completely. So in the upcoming questions of the upcoming videos, we will be covering the reasoning questions also from the previous year question papers. And then English communication, we will be covering completely in this channel. So for quantitative aptitude and reasoning and English, if you are first time to this channel, I kindly request all of you, kindly subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I upload new videos, notification will definitely come to you. Okay, so kindly press the subscribe button and take your learning to the next level. Thank you so much for once again for your support. Let us go to the questions first. So here is your first question. So let me take my pen. So the question is selected from SSC Cgle 2016, and today whatever questions I have selected for you friends, it is selected from 2016 SSC Cgle. Staff Selection Commission Combined Graduate Level Examination 2016 September batch. So the question is 700 rupees 700 is divided among A, B, C in such a way that the ratio of the amounts of A and B is in the ratio 2:3, and that of B and C is 4:5. Find the amounts each received in the order A, B, C. So we have A is to B is given as 2:3, and B is to C is given as 4:5. Right, what is given in the question? So if I change this to 2:3 is AB, so and again write A is to B is to C will be what? Here A is to B we have 2:3, A is to B we have 2:3, and we have B is to C we have 4:5. So when you see this 3 and 4, the LCM will be how much? The LCM will be 12. So when I take B12, that means A will become 8. And when I take B12, C will become 15. So the combined ratio will be 8:12:15. When I add these 3, I will get 35. So again, you know that condition now, total is 700, which is divided in how many parts? 35 parts. So 35 part means one part will be how much? One part will be 35 in 70, 2 times you got 20 rupees. Now one part is 20. So we get 8 part will be how much? So 1 part is 20 means 8 part will be 8 into 20, 160 rupees. And 1 part is 20. So 12 part will be how much? 240 rupees. And if 1 part is 20, the 15 part will be how much? 15 part will be 300. So you got total 700. Now what is the question? Find the amount each received in the order A is to B is to C. So A got 160, B got 240 and C got 300. That is the correct answer. 160, 240, 300. So 160, 240 and 300, we have option B. So option B is the correct answer. So let me explain this once again to you, my dear friends. Whenever ratio like this is given, A is to B is 2 is to 3 and B is to C is 4 is to 5, there is common, B is common. So when B is common, we have 3 and 4 common. Take the LCM of 3 and 4 and make B is equal to 12. Now see, if B is 12, so 12 means 3 into 4 equal to 12. Come multiply that 4 here also. 2 into 4, 8. So A will become 8. Now you see, when this 4 will become 12, so we have to multiply by 3. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So multiply that 3 here also. 5 into 3 will become 15. So then we will get C is equal to 15. So the funda here is, the idea here is, what is common? B is common. When B is common, here you have two numbers, 3 and 4. Take the LCM of 3 and 4. Accordingly, arrange other two, A and C, so that we will get a combined ratio. Once you get the combined ratio, add all these things and we will get 35. Divide the given value, 700 rupees, 900 rupees, 1000 rupees, whatever is given in the question, divide that by 35 to get the common ratio. That is 20 is the common ratio. Now multiply this 20 with 8, you will get A share. Multiply this 20 with B, you will get 12 share. And multiply this 20 with C, you will get C share. According to the question, whatever we need to find out, A or B or C or all the three, accordingly you can find out and mark the correct option. So this way you can easily calculate this type of questions. These questions are selected from previous question paper. So very important, and these are multiple time repeated questions. My dear friends, I will tell you, every time these type of questions will come, so you will have a clear idea what type of questions are asked in your Cgle examination. And only thing, this number will change in every question. 700 will become 900 or 1000 or 1200. ABC will become XYZ, or that's all. Other than that, no changes will come. The pattern remains same. So I hope you understood this. And if it is clear, let us go to the next question. If you have any difficulty in understanding this type of questions, please do comment. I will personally check all the comments and I will reply it. Okay, so let us go to the next question. Yeah, so the next question is here on your board. A cricket player, after playing 10 tests, scores 100 runs in the 11th test. As a result, the average of his run is increased by 5. The present average of the run is. So how many tests he played? He played 10 tests. So total he played 10 tests, plus in the 11th test he got 100. So in the 11th one he got 100. 10 tests we don't know how many he scored. Let it be X. Total 10 he got X runs. And then one more, that is 11th, he got 100 runs. So total how many runs? 100 plus X. Then his average is increased by 5. So initially, if in 10 matches, 10 tests, the total score is X. Total score is X. So average will be how much? Average will be X by 10. Now, what is the total? The total is 100 plus X. And in how many matches? 11 matches. So divided by 11, the average will be 5 more, increased by 5. So that will be X by 10 plus 5. We need to find out the present average. We need to find out what is X by 10. Here, when you solve this, 100 plus X divided by 11 is equal to X plus 10 divided plus 5. So when you solve it, let me solve it for you. So 100 plus X divided by 11 is equal to, if I take the LCM here, this 10 into 5 will become 50. That is X plus 50 by 10. Let us go for a cross multiplication. So we will get what? We will get 100 into 10 will become 1000. 10 into X will become 10X. Will be equal to 11 into X will become 11X. and 11 into 50 will become 550. So now you can see 10x here, 11x here. So there will be equal to 1x. This will be plus. And when I take this 550 to this side, this will become 450. That means 1x is equal to 450. So we got x is equal to 450. What is the average? Average is x by 10. So x by 10 will be 450 divided by x by 10 will be 450 divided by 10, which is equal to 45. So 45 years is your correct answer. Accordingly, you can mark option A as the correct answer. I hope you understood it very clearly. Let me explain it in a different way. What is given is, in the first 10 tests, the cricketer scored some runs. We don't know how much is the runs. We take that as X runs. And in the given question, it is given that in the 11th match, the 11th test, he scored 100 runs. So total will be 100 plus X. For the first 10 matches, the average will be 10 by X by 10. Because the total run is X and total number of tests will be 10. So average will be 10 by X. Sorry, X by 10. So this is the average. This is what we need to find out. But we don't know what is the value of X. But we know in the 11th test, when he scored 100 runs, it becomes 100 plus X by 11. The average increases by 5. When it increases by 5, the X by 10 will become X by 10 plus 5. Now this is the formula. This is the equation we need to solve. When you solve it by cross multiplication, we got the value of X is equal to 450. X value is 450. But we want what? We want the present average. What is the present average? Average is X by 10. So X value 450. So X by 10 will be 450 divided by 10, which is equal to 45. So let me make it very, very clear. This type of questions are very, very common in almost all competitive examinations. So accordingly, we mark 45 as the correct answer, and hope you understood it. Kindly note it, and then let us go to the next question. So here is your next question. A man rides at the rate of 18 km per hour but stops for 6 minutes to change horses at the end of every 7 km. The time that he will take to cover a distance of 90 km is. So here speed is given 18 km per hour. And total distance is 90 km is the distance. So see, 90 km is the distance and 18 km is the speed. What is to find out? He stops 6 minutes after every 7 km. So let us say he is starting from point A and he moves like this and he reaches point B, and this is 90 km, and he after every 7 km he stops for 6 minutes. He stops for 6 minutes. So what is the time taken that he will cover a distance of 90 km? So this is what given. So now let us say, because he stops every 7 km, how many times he will stop? He will stop 90 divided by 7. So 1 sevens are 7, 2 20, how many times? 2 times 2 sevens are 40. So total times in between A and B, between A and B, 12 times he will stop. 12 times. Why 12 times? After every 7 km. First 7 km, next 7 km, next 7 km, next 7 km. Like that, he will complete, he will stop for 12 times. So 12 times, each time 6 minutes. So how many minutes? 12 into 6 minutes equal to 12 6 are 72 minutes. He will stop. Now let us see what is the time taken to cover 90 kilometer with 18 minute speed. Time is equal to speed by distance by speed. Distance by speed. Distance is 90 and speed is 18. So 18 and 90 you can cut 9 10 times, 9 2 times, which is 5. 5 minutes. 5 hours. 5 hours plus resting time is 72 minutes. 72 minutes is equal to 1 hour plus 12 minutes. So 1 hour plus 12 minutes. So this is 6 hour, 5 hour plus 1 hour will become 6 hours plus 12 minutes. So 6 hours 12 minutes is the correct answer. Accordingly, you can mark the correct option as 6B. 6 hours 12 minutes. Understand it very clearly. Why we have taken this equal to 1 hour 12 minutes? Because we have total 72 minutes. 60 minutes 1 hour. Remaining 72 minutes will be 1 hour 12 minutes. Now time taken is the formula is distance by speed is equal to time. So accordingly 90 by 18 is equal to 5 hours. So 5 hours the time taken to cover the distance of 90 and 1 hour 12 minutes is the time taken for rest. So total it will become 6 hours 12 minutes. So the correct option will be option B, 6 hours 12 minutes. Again, pause the video and understand the concept very clearly and then solve it, because you are going to get these type of questions in your question paper when you go for Cgle examination or IBPS examination or any competitive examination for that matter. So do comment if you have any problem in understanding this type of questions. I will be definitely attending your comments. Okay, I hope you understood it. Let us go to the next question. Yeah, this is very important question. Again, selected from 2016 paper. A, B, C, D purchase a gift of worth 60. So now here four people together, A, B, C, D, spend how many rupees? 60 rupees. So what is the condition? A pays half of what others are paying. So let us see, this is very important. A pays half of what others are paying. B pays 1/3 of what others are paying. C pays 1/4 of what others are paying. And what is the amount paid by D? This is what we need to find out. Now let us say, let A pays X values. Okay, X rupees. We don't know actually how much it is. So let us take this way. A gives X rupees and B gives Y rupees. C gives Z rupees and D gives, let us say, A rupees. Okay. So now X will be what? A pays half of what others are paying. So A will be paying half of what others are paying. Y plus Z plus A. Understand very, very clearly why I have taken like this. It is given that A pays half of what others are paying. A will be paying half of what others are paying. What is A paying? This will be equal to X. Why? Because A is paying half of what others are paying. Others are paying by Z at A. Similarly, B is paying what? B is paying 1/3 of others are paying. 1/3 of others, that is X plus Z plus A. This will be equal to Y. And C is paying 1/4 of what others are paying. What others are paying? X plus Y plus Z. X plus Y plus Z, that is equal to A. Sorry, that is equal to Z. So we got what x, what is y, and what is z. And we also know what is total, all this put together, how much? 60 rupees. So that is x plus y plus z plus a, total will become 60 rupees. Now what we have to do is x plus y plus a, x plus y plus a, this one, x plus y plus a will be equal to what? 60 minus z. X plus y plus a will be equal to 60 minus z. When you put that value of value here in any one of the equation, we will get z is equal to 12. Let me tell you very clearly. X plus, what I am doing is, we have x plus y plus z. X plus y plus a, sorry, x plus y plus a is equal to here x plus y plus a, here it is a, equal to, when you cross multiply, will be equal to 4z. X plus y plus a is equal to 4z. So here we have, I am talking about this equation. X plus y plus a equal to, when you cross multiply this 4 here, it will become 4 into z, 4z. So when I say x plus y plus a equal to 4z, so when I get 4z plus z, x plus y plus a plus z equal to 60, that is 4z plus z is equal to 60. That means 5z equal to 60. So I can take 1z is equal to 12. I am giving you the explanation how I have taken z is equal to 12. Let us, if you are not clear with that, let me tell you, let me explain it very clearly. Okay, so let us say from equation C, we have what? 1 by 4 into x plus y plus a equal to z. So what is x plus y plus a? X plus y plus a equal to, this 4 will be multiplied here, it will become 4z. But we know what is x plus y plus a plus z, that will become 4z plus z equal to 5z. We know that this value is equal to 60, which is given here. That means 5z equal to 60. If 5z equal to 60, what will be 1z? 1z is equal to 12. This is clear to you now. Now when I got the value of z equal to 12, put it in equation 1 and 2, then we will get the value of y is equal to 15, and we will get the value of x is equal to 20. How I am getting it? I am not solving it now. I am leaving it for you. How we will get it? We got the value of z equal to 12. Put the value of z equal to 12 in any one of this equation. So you will get the value of y and x. So we got x equal to 20 plus y is equal to 15 plus z equal to 12. How much it is? 20 plus 15, 35 plus 12, 47. But what is the total? Total is 60. So how much is left? 13 is left. So 13 is the contribution by amount paid by D. So 13 is the correct answer. Accordingly, we can mark option. Which option is the correct answer? We can mark option D as the correct answer. How I am getting it? Let me explain it once again. No confusion. We got the value of z equal to 12. You understood how you got it. Once you get the value of z equal to 12, put it in equation 1 and equation 2. You will get the value of y and x. So y is 15, x is equal to 12. Add these three, it is coming 47. But actually we paid 60. So the balance is 13, which is paid by D. So the correct option is 13 rupees. Kindly pause the video, understand the concept, and then clear it. Once you are clear with this, let us go to the next question. And once again, I would like to ask all of you, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Every week we are uploading previous year's question papers for all competitive examination. So as soon as I upload new videos, the notification will come to you. So without your support, it is not possible for me to upload new videos, and it is your support is my success. So please don't forget to press the bell button so that all notification, you will not miss any notification. Kindly subscribe and thank you so much. Let us go to the next question. Here is your next question. Mohan gets 3 marks for each correct sum and loses 2 marks for each wrong answer. So let us take it this way. For correct answer, he will get 3 marks, that is plus 3. And for wrong answer, he will get minus 2 marks. He attempts 30 questions. Total question he attempted is 30. So 3 marks for correct answer, 2 marks for wrong answer. Total question attempted is 30 and the mark obtained is 40. He got the mark 40. Now let us take this way. Let us say in this 30 question he attended, there are X question which was right and remaining 30 minus X, that is wrong. Let me make it very, very clear. He attempted how many questions? 30 questions. Out of that 30 questions, so out of 30 questions, X question is the correct answer and remaining how many? 30 minus X will be the wrong answer. So we know that for correct answer he will get 3 marks. For wrong answer he will get minus 2 marks. So now I can put an equation here. What is the total mark here for correct answer? Correct answer it will be 3x plus for wrong answer 30 minus x minus 2, that is 30 minus x into minus 2. Total mark he got is 40. Now let us solve this. 3x plus minus 2 into 30, that is this will become minus 60, minus 2 into minus x, minus into minus will become plus 2x, which is equal to 40. So 3x plus 2x will become 5x. This minus 60 when I take to this side, it will become plus 60. So 60 plus 40 will become 100. So from this I will get x is equal to 5 and 100, 20 times. I got x is equal to 20. Now let us say if I know x is equal to 20, if x is 20, then 30 minus x will be equal to what? 30 minus 20 will be equal to 10. That means Mohan got 20 correct answers and 10 wrong answers. The number of sum he solved correctly is, how many questions he solved correctly? Correctly he solved how many questions? 20 questions. So what is the correct answer? 20 is the correct answer. So from the given options, we can mark the correct option as option D. D is 20. I hope it is clear to all of you. First, why we are taking 30 minus x here? Because total questions are 30. Out of that, if x questions are correct, so 30 minus x will be wrong. If there are 40 questions, out of that 40, x is correct. So 40 minus x will be wrong. If there are 100 questions and out of that x questions are correct, so 100 minus x will be wrong. So this is a normal way we will take to solve this type of questions. You know, to explain all these concepts in your examination, practice with more and more questions, and kindly do comment and write to us, and we can give you more and more questions for practice. You can download free questions also, and you can please do comment in the comment box so that I can give you more and more questions for practice, which is absolutely free. Hope you understood it. Let us go to the next question. So here is your next question. The cost of manufacture of an article is rupees 900. The trader wants to gain 25% after giving a discount of 10%. 25% gain, 25% profit he want after giving a discount of 10%. So what is the market price should be? Market price should be what? Now see, manufacturer, see CP, he brought the article for how many rupees? He brought the article for CP. He brought it for rupees 900. Now he want to give a discount of 10%. But at the same time, and he want to give a discount of how many percentage? He want to give a discount is equal to 10%. And he want to make a profit of how many percentage? He want to make a profit of 25%. So these all are the information given in the question. Just to understand what all are the information given in the question. Now let us see. He want to give a discount of 10%. So we don't know what is the market price. We have to find out what is the market price. So let market price, let us take X. Whatever we don't know, we will take as X. Now let us say, if market price is X, he want to give a 10% discount on that market price. So he want to give how many discount? He want to give a discount of 10% discount. So when you give 10% discount, you will get 90%. So 90% of X will be equal to, understand what I am telling very, very clearly. You are giving a 10% discount. Why I have taken 90% here? Because when you give 10% discount, balance will be 90%. Market price is X. So 90% of X will be equal to 900 rupees is what he paid. That 900 rupees plus how much gain, how much profit he want? He want 25% profit. So 25% of 900. Now from this equation, we have to find out what is X. Understand this very, very clearly why I have written like this. 90% of X. He want to give 10% discount. If there are 100% and you are giving minus 10% discount, so balance will be 90%. 90% of what? 90% of the market price. So what is the market price? We don't know. That is what we need to find out. So we have taken that as X. So 90% of X is equal to how much he paid? He paid 900 rupees. That he want 900 rupees he want. Plus how much you want? He wanted 25% profit. 25% profit. So 25 by 100 into 900. So here I can cut this 0, 0 and this 0, 0. So 900 plus 900 plus 25 into 9 will be equal to 225. 225 plus 900 will be equal to 2511. 1125. 90% of X is equal to, that is 90x by 100 is equal to 1125. What you can do? Cut this 0, cut this 0. Cross multiply, you got 9x is equal to 11250. 1150. Find out X. Cut 9 here. 11 one time. So 22 means 2 times, 45, 5 times 0. X is equal to 1250. So you can mark the correct option. X is equal to 1250. Option C is your correct answer. Very, very important question. Very common type of questions taken from percentage. Very important. Profit and loss, percentage, all these type of topics will have these type of questions. Hope it is very clear to you, and if you have any doubt in understanding these concepts, kindly do comment. Again and again I am reminding you, kindly do comment, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And more questions we will be uploading, which are questions selected from the previous year question papers. So don't miss PYQ. Don't miss PYQ. This PYQ, more and more questions when you solve from the previous year question papers, it will definitely boost your preparation. It will definitely boost your preparation. Topic wise preparation, it takes a lot of time. So when you directly learn from previous year questions, it becomes very easy for you to crack your examination, and time management is also very important. We will be doing some shortcut methods in the upcoming videos. So hope you understood it, and let us go to the next question. So the next question is, Aravind purchased a wristwatch with a 30% discount on the labeled price. He sold it for 40% profit on the price he brought. What was his percentage loss on the labeled price? Now this question is very simple, very simple question. Let us take labeled price is 100. Labeled price is equal to rupees 100. Now let me tell you one item, one wristwatch, which is costing rupees 100. Aravind got 30% discount. So 30% discount means he got it for 70 rupees. So wristwatch is high. Originally it is 100 rupees. And when you get 30% discount, he paid 70 rupees. Now, on this 70 rupees, he want 40% profit. So 40%, 40 by 100 into 70. So 70 cut, 10 cut, 10 cut, 10 cut, 4 sevens are equal to 28. So 70 plus 28, he sold it for 98 rupees. He got it for 70. After that 70, he got 40% profit. So 70 plus 28, he sold it for 98. Now let us see. Let me tell you this way. He brought it for how many rupees? 100 rupees. He sold it for how many rupees? 98 rupees. So what is loss or profit? It is loss. How many rupees? Loss of 2 rupees. So what is the loss percentage? Out of 100, 2 rupees is less. So 2% is the loss percentage. So 2 is the correct answer. Hope it is very clear to all of you. 100 rupees, he got a discount, then 70 rupees. Then that 70 rupees he sold for 40% profit. So it becomes 98 rupees. Still he is loss of 2 rupees, which is equal to 2%. So these are the common questions selected from previous question papers, and with more and more questions we will be meeting in the next video. So please don't miss that PYQ previous year question papers. That will definitely boost your preparation. And once again, thank you so much for your support, and so thank you so much for watching my videos. And I kindly request, if you are new, please don't forget to press the subscribe button, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button so that all notifications will come to you. Thank you so much, and meet you again. Bye bye.